There is no doubt that the science of marketing is a large field, and it contains many smart methods that ultimately aim to persuade the buyer to buy the product, or repeat the purchase of it many times, and also collect the largest amount of money possible from the consumer to pour into the pocket of the company that owns the product. Perhaps this method is normal and correct if it is done correctly, and the consumer gets what he wants without falsification or lying. But in fact, many companies follow illegal marketing methods whose aim is to deceive the consumer into obtaining his money unfairly and make him pay for a service, quality, or even an amount other than what he wanted. In this video, we will show you examples of these methods used by some companies to deceive us with their marketing methods to get us unnecessarily more money. 1. They may exaggerate putting the product in a large box to look like it is full of the product, but it is really just a small amount in the outer part. 2. They often write the information that attracts our attention in large handwriting, and the information that they want us to ignore they write in small handwriting, such as this picture written in large handwriting, 100% natural juice, and in a smaller font, with some additional ingredients. 3. Often they place labels on the top edge of the package to hide the unfilled part. So you can turn the packaging upside down to find out the true size of what's inside. 4. They exaggerate by placing spaces between the pieces of the product in order to increase the area of the outer package to delude the consumer that the quantity is large inside. 5. One of the oldest methods is that which is followed by the crackers companies by filling the bag with air in an exaggerated manner, and even enlarging the size of the bag significantly despite the fact that the amount of the product is similar to the one in the small bag. 6. Even on the electronic level, some download sites often deceive us and put many icons for downloading, but in the end it becomes clear to you that all of them are ads that do not belong to what you want to download, and that the real link is below in a small font. 7. Companies may be swallowed up by following an illegal method by writing that the product contains something that does not really exist, such as the picture below, in which it is written that the product is rich in vitamin A, but in the ingredients, it is written that the amount of vitamin A is 0. 8. They may deceive us about the large and small sizes, so we think that the large size is really larger, but you may be surprised that 2 of the small size may be larger than the same large size product, although the price is the same in both cases. 9. Food companies are interested in the visible part of the product, and are not interested in adding real value in the invisible part, for example, this picture. A funny addition: someone went to a hotel and found in his room a kettle to heat water and make tea, but by chance found in the office drawer a paper warning against using the kettle with a fine if it was used.